Hi, so today we are doing a review of the Tile Mate 2020. It is great for people who forget stuff like car keys, wallets, anything you name it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. When you open it up, this is what you see. Documents, warranty, and here's the tile device itself. It is ridiculously small. Here it is compared to a DVD disc. The newest addition is the little slot right here whereby you can just pop it open to get the battery out and pop a new fresh battery in. I can't do it one hand, but you know you can do it with two hands. The only reason why I never bought a tile before was because the battery was not replaceable and it was such a pain to buy a new one and just throw out the old one into the landfill. I just couldn't live with that, you know. This is my first time buying a tile, so let's see how we can put it to use. Here we are installing the app on my trusty Samsung S7. After downloading it, let's open it. It looks like you have to sign in, but let's see if I can bypass it. Add a new tile. Looks like I have to sign in with Facebook or email or creating a new account. Yep, I have to create an account because I don't have an account. So let's create an account right now. After I create an account, this is what I see. It looks like I have to allow location. So let's do that. Turn on my location. Hopefully I don't have to turn on the location 24/7 or else I would really drain the GPS, but we'll see. To activate the tile, click the tile button once to begin activation. Okay, so that looks pretty simple enough. Next, I'll pair with my keys because I know I always lose my keys. So the great thing about it is that you can use the phone to find the keys, or you can use the key to find the phone. To find the phone, all you have to do is double press the tile button as you can see on the screen. Okay, that works. I'm not going to go premium because I always use the keys in the house anyway. So let's not go premium. Let's save some money. And there we go. Let's go back to the home screen. Let's turn location off and see if I can still use the tile. So here we go. Let's double click twice to see if we can find a phone or not. Okay, that works. Let's open tile to see if I can find the keys again. But this time I'll put the tile all the way down on the first floor. Right now we're on the second floor. Okay, so I went downstairs and I hid the tile mates into a closet. Let's see if it can find it using my Samsung S7. Open the app. So you can see that it's giving me a warning that location access is needed. But let's see if it can still find the phone or not. I mean the keys or not. Let's hit the find. Okay, it works. It works. I can still hear the mate calling me from all the way down on the first floor. And that's it. That's good to know that location is not needed to work indoor, in my house at least. This is such a great device. I highly recommend it if you lose your phone or misplaced your stuff. You can put it anywhere, into your key, into your backpack, into your purse. It is extremely small. All right, so I finally opened the battery cover, and here you can see that it uses the CR16323 volts. Here is a quarter for comparison. It is a little bit bigger, and here it is next to the DVD disc again. If you get 4 quarters and you stack them all up, this is roughly the same size, the same thickness of the tile itself, to give you the size comparison. So I don't know where you want to hide it. I know some people really want to hide it to find stuff, to catch a thief or whatever. But it is small, but I wouldn't say that it is super small that you can hide it anywhere. All right, hope it helps you to find your stuff. Feel free to ask me any questions.